Good morning, children. My name is Sheetal Gomadi, and today let's start with the English lesson, that is the golden balloon. So, in the previous class, you had studied about the lesson Happy Days Always, and it was regarding the about Marjorie and the elf, that is Merry Chuckle. So, today in this lesson, let's study about the golden balloon. Here you have an activity. Stick your photograph in the box. Write 5 things you like about yourself. So, you have to stick a photo, and in the clouds, you have to write what you like about yourself. So, this is the activity part for your homework, and you please fill it in the home. So, coming to the lesson part, I'll just read the lesson once. It is, today is Sid's birthday. Sid loves balloons. So, whose birthday is it? It is Sid's birthday, and he loves balloons. His parents have decorated the room with colorful oval balloons. What the parents have done? They have decorated the balloons with the which shape? With the oval balloons. They are very colorful. The oval balloons are proud to be a part of Sid's birthday. So, what the balloons are imagining that they are the part of a, they are proud to be part of Sid's birthday. So, the balloons themselves are imagining that we are happy to be on Sid's birthday. They are sure Sid's friends are going to love them. So, what the balloons are thinking? What they are imagining? They are imagining that the Sid's friends will love them. After all, they are the best. When they look down, they see a different balloon. It is long, thin, and golden. Who are you? They ask. I am a balloon too, says the golden balloon. So, what happens here? After all, they are the best. When they look down, they see a different balloon. It is long, thin, and golden. Who are you? They ask. I am a balloon too, says the golden balloon. So, most of you have seen in the fairs, when you go to jatras, there you see these such balloons, which are long and thin balloons. I think so. Hope all of you have seen. ಈಗ ನಾಳೆ ನೀವು ಗೊಡ್ಚಿ ಜಾತ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ, ಏನಾರ ಜಾತ್ರೆ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಥರ ಬಲೂನ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾವ. ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ದಾಗ ನೋಡಕತ್ತೀರಿ, ಈ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ದಾಗ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದಂಥ ಬಲೂನ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ಮಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾವ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಫೆಮಿಲಿಯರ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಶೇಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಲೂನ್. A blue oval balloon says, what kind of balloon are you? You are thin and long. So what happened? There on the wall you can see hanging the oval balloons, and they are asking this balloon which is on the ground. ಈ ಬಲೂನನ್ನು ಕೆಳಗತ್ತಾರ, ನೀ ಎಂಥ ಬಲೂನ್ ಈ ಥರ ಶೇಪ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ, ಅವಕ್ಕೇನು ನಾವು ಗುಂಡಕ ಅದೇವಿ, ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಶೇಪ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಒಂಥರ ಅದೇವಿ, ಅದೊಂಥರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅವರ ಭಾವನೆ. You are thin and long. Your color is also not vibrant as ours. ಏನನ್ನಾಗತ್ತಾರ, ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗದೇವಿ ಆ ಥರ ನಿನ್ನ ಬಲೂನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೋ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ balloons are chasing the balloon which is lying down on the ground. That is, it is the golden balloon. The golden balloon feels very sad. It wonders why it has a different shape. It feels lonely and unwanted. So, when the oval balloons are chasing the golden feels very sad because it has no company. So, ಇವಾಗ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಕತಿ. ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? ಒಂದಿಬ್ಬರು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದೇ ಹುಡುಗನ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಹಿ ಫೀಲ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಲೋನ್ಲಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೇಚರ್ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಲ್ದಂಥ ಹುಡುಗರು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೇನು ಆಕತಿ? ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ವೆರಿ ಲೋನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ or in the school. So, you should adjust with all the people. ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೋಡಿನೂ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆ ಥರ ನೇಚರ್ ನೀವು ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Why it has a different shape? it feels lonely and unwanted. Just then a clown walks into the room. So who walks in the room? Just then a clown. ಈ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ ದಿವಸ ಸ್ಯಾಂಟಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಾಕ, ಆ ಥರ ಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ದಿವಸ ಏನಾಕೈತಿ, ಒಬ್ಬ ಕ್ಲೌನ್ he walks into the room. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಮರ್ಜರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಮೇರಿ ಚಕ್ಕಲ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸಾಗ ಬಂದ ಆಕೆ ಮೂಡ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ, ಹಂಗೆ ಈ ಲೆಸನ್ದಾಗ there is a clown who walks into the room. Sid and his friends cheer aloud to welcome the clown. The clown says, "Hello children, I know you all love to play with balloons. Today I will make many funny objects with balloons for you all." So why did the clown come? Why did the clown appear? Because the golden balloon was feeling very lonely and it was very unhappy because the oval balloons, the colorful balloons on the wall were chasing the yellow balloon, the golden balloon. So the oval balloons look at one another and wondered how the clown will do that. The golden balloon is also puzzled. So the golden balloon was also thinking, like it was wondering like how he will entertain the birthday party. How he is going to entertain the children, that is Sid's friends. The clown takes out a packet of colored balloons from his bag. He uses a pump to fill air in them. The inflated balloons appear long in shape, just like the golden balloon. The oval balloons are surprised to see their shape. So the oval balloons were more eager to see that how the clown is going to fill air into the long balloons and make them into a different shapes. As if you go in the fair, ನೀವು ಜಾತ್ರೆಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಈ ಥರ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲನೂ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಒಂಥರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ. ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಜಾತ್ರೆಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಯು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ difference between the normal balloons, the shapes they make with different shapes. ಏನೇನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಬಲೂನ್ ಒಳಗೆ. They make dolls, they make just with vowel shapes, long shapes, ಭಾಳ ಥರ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ balloons, heart shape. So the golden balloon shouts happily, "Look, I am not alone. There are others that look like me." So the golden balloon felt happy when clown filled air into some other balloons he made out of the balloons what he had bought. The clown then twists, bends and ties the long balloons to make swords, hats, flowers, bunnies and puppies for everyone. The children love the toys made out of the long balloons. So what did the clown do? He made many things out of the balloons. He made flowers, he made bunnies, he made puppies, he made hats, everything. The oval balloon cannot believe how pretty the thin long balloons look. "Excuse me, could you pass me that golden balloon, please?" The clown requests one of Sid's friends. He says, "Look at this balloon. Its color is different from the other balloon. Watch as I turn it into a beautiful sword for the birthday boy." The clown skillfully bends and ties the golden balloon to make it look like a sword. Then he hands the sword to Sid. Sid beams with happiness. So what happened? The clown prepared a sword out of the golden balloon and he gave it into Sid's hand. The children play happily with their toys made out of the long balloons. The oval balloons watch with sadness. None of the children want to play with them. None of the boys even suggest popping the oval balloons. So when he made different shapes, different kinds of balloons with those long and thin balloons, so the oval balloons felt very sad because none of his friends looked into those. They never looked over those oval balloons. So they themselves felt guilty. Just then Sid's father pulls down one oval balloon and says, "We can use even these balloons in our play. Let's draw faces on them." So what happened? Sid's father pulled one of the oval balloon from the wall and he said, "We can play with these balloons. We can make pictures on the balloon." Sid's father draws a silly face on one balloon. All the children giggle aloud. They pull down the oval balloons and begin drawing faces on them. The oval balloon becomes happy. They realize that being different in shape made the golden balloon special. They say very sorry to the golden balloon for making fun of it. At the end of the party, Sid's friends say goodbye and take their balloons home. So this is all the lesson about Sid's birthday party and the balloons, what they imagine, if there are some unsimilarities between the same type of things. So I have already given you the question answers part. So read the lesson once. Complete the sentences by using the words. This is also done for you all already. So I have to just, for today's class, I have to just tell you to complete this portion. Please, whoever have not written this, please do it at home. Okay. So let's see in the next class. Thank you.